when customers have to send their fund overseas, in the past, the turnaround time, the cost has always been a concern. So we allow our customers to send their fund overseas within our network countries instantly and free of charge.
How has been the take-up rate for the digital personal banking services introduced recently?
The take-up rate has been very exciting and encouraging. We are seeing more than thousands of accounts opening every month, and the application came from over 50 countries all over the world. So primarily coming from Hong Kong, UK, China, Singapore, and Malaysia.
So which markets do you see the most potential?
I think so far we see the most potential came from outside of the UK, where people who are looking to work, study, or even move into the UK. So these are people, in the past they have struggled to open a UK bank account simply because most of the UK banks would require a UK presence before they can apply an account. I think another market that we are aware of potential is people who need an offshore account to diversify their asset. So these are people, could be investors, who are looking for better safety of their asset. So they want to move their asset offshore, and in a place, UK is one of the top financial world, and also it comes with some sort of deposit guarantee.
So could you share with us what are some of the benefits of a digital bank?
Sure. I think the first thing is through a digital bank, you expect almost all the service can be done through the phone or through your laptops. So nowadays, people, I think you consider your phone is your branch, and you do not really need to go to a physical branch to queue up for the services there. So it saves you a lot of time, and you can just complete the banking services within fingertips. So that's the first benefit. I think the second benefit is the digital bank nowadays, I mean the most successful one, is always able to transform the cost of running a bank into benefits to the customer. So for example, offering higher interest. So the way to do this is like in the past, traditional banks compete with branches, their network of branches, how they widen their net to reach customer within their physical branches. But nowadays, when you are able to cut down the cost of the branches, you can offer better interest to the customer. Ultimately, your customer benefit better because of this transformation. And I think for digital bank, it's always been the advantage to not to follow the legacy, but to build transformative benefit for our customers.
So what do you think is the most important to clients when choosing a bank?
I think there are two things. So first, of course, is the safety. And of course, in the UK, there is a very good scheme that is called FSCS, standing for Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which is a deposit guarantee scheme in the UK, where when customers put their fund in a regulated UK bank, it is well protected by the scheme. So for fund saved with our bank is protected by the FSCS scheme up to £85,000 of their deposits fully covered. The second thing is, I think it's always how seamless you can deliver your digital banking services and experience through the banking account. Usually, in the past, a lot of things might not be that seamless. So I give you an example. It's like when customers have to send their fund overseas. In the past, the turnaround time, the cost has always been a concern. The thing that we can go beyond boundaries is we offer a service like transfer, global transfer within our iFAST group. So we allow our customers to send their fund overseas within our network countries instantly and free of charge. So I think seamless services via technology is the key, and is one of the most important factors to customer choosing a digital bank.
What are the challenges you face so far and how do you manage them?
Yeah, for sure. The challenge has always been within this very competitive digital banking landscape. How do we ensure ourselves to be competitive and even stay ahead of the curve to deliver the best experience to our customer? To overcome this challenge, I think there are always two key things that we bear in mind. So first is always looking forward. So looking forward at all aspects at all times. So that's where we offer our banking service at we say going beyond boundaries. So going beyond geographic boundaries, that we allow customers from overseas to open UK bank account without a UK presence. The second thing we always ask ourselves is starting from why. So starting from why we want to do it in a different way that probably other traditional bank won't look into. I think what keeps us move forward is when we look at how we make a small impact to our customer, so who used to be struggle to open a UK bank account, or who used to be struggle when they have a bank account but very low interest. I think when we think from that process, we offer better benefits, better interest, or a better way of banking. I think that's the way we keep ourselves move forward. So starting from why.
What are some of the exciting plans coming up?
There are plenty of exciting plans coming up. So first thing will be the faster payment. We are enabling faster payment scheme in the UK in Q1 2024, where we will allow our customer to send their pounds within the UK within seconds. So second is the debit card. We are looking to launch debit card by June 2024. It will be a multi-currency debit card, allowing our customers to spend the 6 currency all over the world. We are also looking to launch the Cash ISA service to specifically allow UK tax residents to save with their tax allowance. And lastly is we leveraging on the iFAST ecosystem. We are enabling our customer to manage their banking asset and their investment asset with the many investment accounts within the iFAST world. So stay tuned. These are all the exciting things coming up.